Hey there, how are you today? This is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and I am doing a review on a program called Nexus today. Nexus is a tutorial program, teaches you how to make some big money with a twist that I haven't seen anyone else use as of yet, but it's very powerful. In a moment, we're going to go over and take a look at the program itself. This is the members area of it. And but first, I'm going to start here on my bonus page, which you can get to by clicking the link beneath this video on YouTube that says get my exclusive bonuses and Nexus here. Click on that link. It'll take you to this page that we are on right now. Also from YouTube, or on YouTube, if you would go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the thumbs up and click the bell. Thank you very much. So Nexus, an ex-pro wrestler reveals how to stuff your list with up to 75% of rabbit hot buyers, even if they don't subscribe, in just 5 days without having any previous experience. And this is based on that secret formula program that's being used here. And so let's talk about it. I have some bonuses for you today for getting Nexus through my link. So let's talk about Nexus a little bit. And by the way, when you are ready, you can click on any of the red banners on my bonus page here. It'll take you over and get you your copy of Nexus. All right, so Nexus, brand new and smoking hot method. In Nexus, you'll learn how to build massive lists of red hot prospects who show up on your landing page, even if they don't opt in, making them a warm lead. All right, and so we're talking to the tune of you being able to capture up to 75% of the people who just land on your landing page, even if they don't opt in, as mentioned before. So, and we are talking about Tier 1 USA subscribers here. So we have also added a high ticket funnel for you to where you can just copy the funnel and make, north of $700 for every sale that you generate. It's not a bad deal, huh? Okay, so what you get, true over-the-shoulder step-by-step training on this underground method, all of our scalding hot traffic sources, both free and paid. The secret source we use to be able to stuff our list with up to 75% of smoking hot buyers just for landing on your page, even if they don't opt in. Done for you, two-step high-ticket funnel you can deploy in matter of about 5 minutes. Free access to ClickFunnels alternative page builder, and the secret affiliate program that we use to pay out over $700 per sale. So let's go and take a look at this program. All right, so Billy here, one of the co-creators of this program, and lovable guy, has that deep Southern country accent, but you can understand what he's saying, and he's excited as he's going through here. And as he'll tell you when you get the program, he spent upwards of $40,000 before he came upon this system that he is teaching you, for almost nothing in cost, believe me. So basically, you have your welcome video, and of course you have his welcome video here, and then you get into the introduction of Nexus and the overview of it, and then you go through your modules, modules 1, 2, 3, and 4. Modules 1 are the tools that you need. Modules 2 is the setting up the Nexus system. Module 3 is the free traffic method, and Module 4 is the paid traffic method. Okay, and of course the tools that you need are general tools that you would need for mostly any marketing or affiliate marketing venture that you're on. You're going to need autoresponder, page builder, which he said he has a page builder alternative, which is GrooveFunnels, both of which that you can try for get for free. And as an alternative to those page builders, there is an option for using getting a website and using WordPress to do it. And so then setting up your system, setting up each one of those and putting them together, it takes you through over the shoulder on how it's done. Then the methods of using free traffic, the methods of using paid traffic, and his special that he uses is solo ads, but you can use other types of advertising there. Then some tips of what he has to say to you and give you, and then the bonuses that he's actually offering you from his end to get Nexus, and any upgrades that you didn't take advantage of on the front end, you can go through, click on this, and get those upgrades there. All right, and so let's go back to the bonus page and let's continue talking about this. First, before we get to the price, let me tell you what bonuses I'm going to give you today. So to start off with, you're going to get Lazy Traffic Sniper. This is a solution for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. So it complements what this program is all about. Bonus number 2 is Affiliate Takeover. This is another method to complement what this program is, and it's used to drive more leads and sales from on-demand traffic. Bonus number 3 is YT Velocity. It's a unlock a set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. Bonus number 4 is called YT Bucks. This is an exhaustive training on how you can create or improve your affiliate marketing business using YouTube as your starting point. And bonus number 5, of course, are the bonuses that Nexus is offering that were given to me so that I can give them to you. All right, and at any time, once again, you can click on any of the red banners to go ahead and get your copy. So let's talk about what this is going to cost here. So everything that I mentioned here, $12.95. All right, and then there are 4 upgrades that's offered. For the down sales, upgrade number 1 is called the Nexus High Ticket Selling Machine. So in this, it's a done-for-you selling machine that you'll be able to just plug into any autoresponder to promote any offer that you wish, so you don't have to set it up. Upgrade number 2 for $27 are 20 done-for-you campaigns, and you also get 80 done-for-you bonuses and 20 bonus pages to deliver them on, for you in your own affiliate marketing campaigns. All right, and with these that they're being given to you, it's going to require Commission Gorilla to use them. So basically, you're going to get a code, to go ahead and copy the sales pages that are already created, that are already working and out there, or going to be out there, and so you'll be right there in the competition with that. Upgrade number 3 for $47 is the Nexus resale right. So you can sell Nexus as if it's your own. You keep 100% of the profits of everything that you see here. And upgrade number 4 for $97, live coaching for an entire year. You're going to get this coaching from the man himself, and one of his partners is that ex-pro wrestler called Simon the Jive Nation Borland. So you learn everything you need to know when it comes to WordPress, the other option, and getting your websites, set up with Simon, marketing, and everything, in between. So you have Simon Borland, and you have Michael, who is the one that's doing most of or all of the training, in the training area there. And of course, this comes back with a satisfaction guarantee, money back, 30 days. Once again, you can click on any of the links. This is being sold through Warrior Plus. So after your checkout, you go to your Warrior Plus page. I'm sure you've been there before, and you click on the green button here to get your Nexus program, and then you click on the blue button to get all the bonuses that I have shown you that I'm offering you for purchasing Nexus through my link today. All right, so hey, let me tell you again, or ask you again, please go ahead and sign up or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the thumbs up and click the bell, and we are A-OK. So that is it. That is it. You know, I love this program. I didn't want to give away that secret sauce, you know, that's included in here. But, you know, it is there. It's something that, you know, 99% sure that you have not used, but this is something that the gurus are using that you just have never been told about. You know, guarantee right there. So go ahead, you know, pick this up. You know, I want to say thank you again for checking out my review of Nexus, and as always, to your success.